Morning, everybody. This is Dave Lenard with the Arizona Elk Society. We'll be at AES headquarters on our raffle from today. So let's find out who's looking winners for that Ruger 1022, the Carbine Full Synthetic rifle. Here we go. Okay. The ticket number is 1825856. 1825856. So congratulations to Lloyd T. Lloyd will be giving you a call. And again, everybody, thank you for your continued support of Arizona Elk Society and Heroes Rising Outdoors.